Today I'm going to show you how to make lean energy bites the Halloween way. Lean way. So do not fear the leanness, cause today I'm showing you how to make the leanness on this episode of Lean Living. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. I am Phil McKenzie, former professional rugby player, and like anyone in the Halloween spirit, you can see I'm in it. I am ready to be scary, but I do not fear one thing, and that is the leanness, which is why today I'm showing you exactly how to make the tastiest protein pumpkin energy bites ever to get you right in that Halloween spirit and satisfy that sweet tooth. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and give me a big thumbs up if you like this recipe, and don't forget to tag me when you make these. We're gonna do 1 1/4 cup of rolled oats in a nice big bowl here. A little dash of protein, vanilla whey. You can also use vegan protein. I'm gonna go about half a scoop. You don't want it too overbearing. Boom! Did I scare you? Nothing to fear here. We're going half a cup of milled flaxseed. Now milled flaxseed is great because this is filled with fiber. Drum roll please. It is time for some nut butter. I am going to use almond butter because I'm an almond butter addict. You can also use a creamy peanut butter or really any nut butter. Whatever floats your boat is going to be lean for you. I promise you, just make sure it is low in sugar. We're going about 3/4 cups. Woo! Now, I did promise you a little bit of sweetness. So we're gonna do about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey there. Next ingredient is keto chocolate chips. These are sugar-free. I am just sprinkling them in, about half a cup. Woo! There you have it, squaddies. Chocolate chippies in there. They're totally optional. I've linked them in the Amazon store, and remember, they are sugar-free. And one last ingredient for this tasty treaty bowl is half a cup of pumpkin puree. And again, this is great. It is giving us that Halloween taste along with a ton more fiber. So these are filled with fiber. And then you're just mixing everything about. There is the lean mix, squaddies. You can see perfectly mixed. Then we're just gonna roll these up into itty bitty balls. Don't make them too big. Make them bite-sized. Just like that. All right, squaddies, this is it. Here we go. We're gonna throw them in the freezer for about 1 hour to 2 hours, just like that. There we go. Say bye-bye. I'll catch you guys back here in 1 to 2 hours. Boom! Look at those. They taste as good as they look. I've already put a few in my belly. They are insanely good, and they're also energizing. And like I said throughout the recipe, they are going to keep you satiated and full for longer. So you got nothing to fear about these energy bites. I want you to make them. And I also want you to tag me at Leansquad on Instagram when you do. That way we can inspire your friends, your family members to follow in your lean steps and start making healthy, tasty foods every single day. And last but not least, if you want a custom 90-day lean plan, that is a meal plan, a workout plan, and my support tailored to you to hold your hand through every step of your health and fitness journey, then go to www.lean-squad.com, sign up today, and let's start getting you healthier, fitter, and leaner today. I promise you, you will not regret it. Otherwise, I will see you back here next episode. So make sure you subscribe and enjoy the energy bites. Woo!